Do blondes have more fun? Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. I am going to shout out the Canon PowerShot V1 camera because that's what I am filming on. I am on automatic white balance on the ambience priority. If you guys pick the automatic white balance, there's two versions on this camera, which is really interesting. Ambience priority on the automatic, and there's also white priority where it balances the whites. It immediately made everything from being so yellow and like orange sunset color to being super clean and white. It's a ghost. I am doing a fun video today. I just got this human wig styled. This wig is custom from Tony Wonderhand, an amazing hairstylist, and Maurice happened to be in the studio yesterday and I had asked him to cut it and style it for me. So today's vlog is going to be blonde for a day. Aldo hasn't even seen me yet with a blonde wig. He said it reminds him of his tias.
Like Mexican tias.
Yes. Let me see if I'm giving tia. Okay. What do you think?
I love it.
Do I look like one of your tias?
Oh my god, it's so perfect. You're giving me Hannah Montana vibes.
Yes. You can get the best of both worlds.
You really are Hannah Montana.
Guess who inspired me to be the blonde? Beyonce. Beyonce. Like seeing her blonde. Like I wish the wig was like a little longer. Let me like blow out the bangs. So to start the morning, I feel very feminine, like on the go ready. This is the Shark hair dryer. This has different attachments on it. You can literally, like, I have this comb attachment. I have like the little air wrap dupe attachments, but I'm just gonna kind of like blow this out so it looks and feels like my real hair. Alright guys, this is what it is giving. Because I haven't worn makeup yet, the lace is looking really fierce on me right now. Because there's no like makeup or residue from before. And when I tell you this camera is HD, look. I need to get a mic because you can hear the zooming, but guys, what do you think? Do we like it? I still have like a residual kind of tan. I do feel like a Laguna Beach kind of mom, but let's go see what everybody else thinks. And we're gonna go to the studio today to do some content and approve some content. So let's go. My girl wanting to.
Oh, come on, blonde hair. Yes.
Do you like the blonde hair? I still feel like a tia in the hair.
Girl, you're giving that you're from Sinaloa.
Am I?
Jalisco.
Oh, come on.
I had to blow out the curls because I feel like the curls were giving a little. So
you went from little to Karol G.
Since we're gonna do inventory at the studio, I was thinking we can like review the content today. I was thinking we're gonna go to the studio. They're gonna do inventory on the products, on the equipment, and then I could do a tutorial over there while they're doing that, and then review.
For sure. Okay, cool. Yeah. I should be done editing all the videos before we go to the studio.
Okay.
Yeah, it shouldn't take long.
Do you wanna continue editing?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing downstairs. I have a little AirPod in.
Okay, perfect. This vlog is called Blonde for. Why is my camera? I'm such a bad YouTuber. This is called Blonde for a Day. So I was thinking I can show my makeup later. We can do like TikToks and stuff later.
Okay, cool.
Should we film on the DJI?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
I like it. I love the hair though.
I'm not used to it. If you don't like it, be honest too. Because I trust you guys. And the wig is riding back because I have so much skincare on. So far, you know, let's just try it. Blonde for a day. Here we go. Oh my gosh, is this what it's like to be a blonde? Okay, Aldo really likes this one. I look like a Cali girl.
Oh my god.
Hey guys.
I'm dying. Yes. I like it though. Here.
Hey guys.
Mira.
So LA.
Do you have a matcha with monk fruit instead of stevia?
Bethany, please.
I said
This is
I said the girls, they have to flip their hair all the way to the side and they pose like this.
Yeah, that is crazy. It's giving.
Aren't
Little
the pants
Instagram
cute?
model. No,
Yeah.
those pants are really cute.
I like the top more than anything.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
For like every day?
Mm-hmm.
You have a black bra.
Yeah.
No, I do. I was just being stupid, but I was like, it's giving LA. But if I want to be like
Yeah.
all the gay boys, ooh, you know what? I like showing my bra.
It's definitely LA because the tag is so long.
This is what makes me different. And then with the makeup by Ariel, hip holes. With no hips. Gay boys are gonna be like. I told Alza about my biscuit titties, but I was like, you know what? If I want to be more LA, I fold the bra in half. And they become tisket titties. What? Like the camera's gonna laugh because all them can't even hold it. It's cracking up. This is giving little tisket titties.
I like this little outfit. It's cute though. It is very LA matcha. Yeah.
This is how the girls dress.
It's
in
giving.
LA.
Let's go to Target and get matcha and then go to Mendocino
Target.
Farms.
We don't go to Target. We shop at Airline.
It's giving Air One, Alfred Coffee.
Yes, what else?
Maybe Beaver Smoothie.
Yes.
Called Gaia. Melrose.
Nobu.
Nobu.
Earth Cafe.
Yes. Okay.
You know what? If you dress it like this, it looks very natural.
Oh, the bra showing is a look.
I hate the bra.
Well, I didn't snap the bodysuit down.
Yeah,
What's it
that.
There.
There we go.
I think something like Korean barbecue. Maybe a little bulgogi hut.
Maybe boiling crab.
Maybe boiling crab. Yeah.
Good one. Yeah, that's definitely a boiling crab look.
I don't think so.
Boiling crab. Boiling crab. Boiling
I
crab.
work with big bags. Okay.
In and out. In and out.
Oh my god,
in
and that would be so cute.
In this?
Milkshake with a good fry.
No, I need to be in the aisles with the juices.
I'm screwed.
Right?
Yes.
Let's go to Earth Cafe then.
Earth Cafe.
Earth Cafe.
Earth Cafe.
Earth Cafe.
Yes. Let's go vlog.
Guys, I cannot go anywhere. Okay, let's go. I'll see you at the studio. Alright, so I am in the studio now, and we are here in my glam room. And I want to show you guys why I'm like contemplating this blonde hair today, because look, I did my makeup in this black hair with Calm, but obviously like I have like a full face of makeup and I look dead right now, and I don't know if it's like the blonde washing me out, but I don't know, something about like having this black hair looks like it grew from my scalp. It's giving my hair, and I don't know, it just looks very like me, but I just wanted to change it up for today. I think like the fun part about being blonde and like having different hair colors, it's like the idea of transformation. And I don't know if it shows my personality that blondes have more fun, but I don't know, maybe it's just being more unhinged and more silly with it. Black hair was more just very subtle and more real girl type of tea and type of fantasy. I feel like my vibe is filming on the DJI Osmo 3 Pocket 3, and I like the quality. You just have to upload like a color LUT from the DJI Osmo Pocket website just so you can put it in like a nice color if you guys are filming in the D-Log setting on this. Sorry if it's getting too technical for some of you guys, but if you guys are interested in getting this camera super fierce, I'm gonna film the TikTok featuring the blonde hair and the makeup for the blonde hair. On this, I'm just gonna keep it very natural. Yeah, I'm gonna film some TikToks here, maybe a transition, maybe a transformation. I'm gonna review some short form content with Juan, and then I will show you guys the finished makeup look. In the meantime, you guys are seeing me juggle how to do content between YouTube and TikTok. That's the real life. But what I love about giving you a sneak peek behind the scenes is that you guys are able to see me in the studio, in a place. I think just because I've been able to grow so much in this career, I think having a proper headspace is really, really important. And I'm super blessed and fortunate enough to be able to have these spaces. But when I started, whether you're an influencer or not, like having a desk in an area where you're able to have your desk and having a space to do like your makeup, or like at least organizing the desk in itself really, really helps your mental health, like organize where your brain wants to go, because the more that you get into adult, the more things you kind of flip and switch. So jumping back into YouTube and doing these vlogs is really helping me, but also what's helping me is having like headspace and clarity by actually physically moving in spaces. Because for me, like I don't have like an influencer office job, but this studio kind of gives me that. So I have my beauty room at home, and I also have the one side studio, so it's helpful for me to kind of like go in here and kind of like see like what the vibe is when I am going to a different place. But enough yapping, I've talked for so long. Let me do this makeup and I'll hopefully kind of see what I like and love about the makeup and the blonde hair, because right now I just feel like a mom. I literally feel like and look like a mom right now. You guys, look at the blonde hair. Is it for me? Like the bra, I should have brought a black bra. It was my bad. But I might go out tonight to a jazz bar. Like, look guys, I have to fold this bra like this and fold this one so it can kind of like fit in this vicinity. But isn't this so cute? Guys, look who is here. Peter.
Hey, oh god.
What?
I bit my tongue.
You bit your tongue? It's because I'm blonde.
It's astonishing.
Okay guys, Aldo wants me to tell you guys, like, we have a secret language when it comes No.
And then
No.
what's gonna happen is you guys are gonna go to a restaurant. And then
No,
you're gonna
okay
be
guys,
waitress.
here is the tea of our secret language. Okay, so we went to a restaurant.
Gotta
You guys
go. How to get it? Let it go.
I'm gonna go. Then it gets gonna go.
Oh my gosh.
Do you know gibberish? You know gibberish?
Of course. I don't.
We were at a restaurant yesterday, and Aldo liked some of the food and didn't like it. Aldo was like, the chef came and the director came. A VIP was like, it's good, it's good. He's like, I don't like it, and I'm like, we have to have a scale, so we have a secret language scale, and this is how the scale goes, and the scale will be here. So if it's like 1 star, or if it's like okay, we say it's so good. Right? That's what we said. I came up with this in the car.
Yes,
right?
yes.
I used to do that.
At the restaurant.
I think millennials did a secret language, right? The 2nd star is great. Great. It was great.
The food.
Right?
It's great.
3 star. It is amazing.
Amazing.
So 4 star. It's fantastic. And then 5 star. It's phenomenal. And then what did you say when you saw me with my blonde wig? That wasn't on the scale.
I was like astonishing.
Astonishing.
You look
And I said, that's
astonishing.
not on the scale. Is that below? He goes, it's beyond. We have to add beyond.
Beyond.
So since Peter is a vegan food vlogger, I told Peter the scale too. And I was like, Aldo, what if we bump into someone that's our server? That's a viewer. And they go, so good. And we're like, we can't. But you know, we're friends here, so if you guys want to, you know, copy this kind of like language with your friends, your family, so you don't, you know, you guys kind of know the tea, feel free to use some of it, change it, use your own words or your own lingo. Aldo has such like diction and pronunciation. He uses all of those words, so I just rank them because without saying it and like being you know, I was like, let's just go with this scale. So now, even at lunch today, I was like, how was your food? He goes, it's so good. I'm gonna review with Peter some videos. I'll do a little bit behind the scenes here. Peter, do you like the studio?
I love it. It's great.
It's great.
So he gave it a 3 stars.
I think it was phenomenal. Astonishing.
I was just telling Peter, I am blown away.
Blown away! He's adding words. He's adding words. You see?
I'm impressed.
What do you call this type of person that's very wordsy? Just very wordsy. Exquisite. You would use exquisite.
I like that. I'm adding it. The star vocabulary.
Okay, so that's that. We're gonna go ahead and review. I love the background. We're gonna add some curtains, so it's giving cutesy when we're here. We're gonna add like 2 red panel curtains, but Juan is editing in my glam room just to give him like some privacy and space for sound. And then me and Peter are gonna review some videos right here on our brand new couch from our one size office. So we're remodeling the one size office. The couch is right here. That's the chair from my old office. And this is what it's giving. Sorry for like the bra falling in and out of my shirt. But we're gonna do that and then we're gonna head to jazz night. Is there food here?
Yes.
We get to eat? Thank God. A lavender marriage. Alright guys, what a random day. I had so much fun. I don't know if you guys can tell if my personality was different or was the same. I feel like my makeup looks very natural, very different. Today was so fun. From being in the studio to jazz night, through kicking off August with just a very different vibe. I feel like this month and the remainder of the year is going to be a year of growing into myself personally and a year of transformation. And I just want to preface, like, I'm not transitioning. This is just for me to kind of like shake things up and get out of like my comfort zone, doing more natural makeup. I'll still be full beat and everything. I just had a really crazy summer. I'm gonna be with my family in the next 2 weeks. So that's gonna be really fun. We get to go to Disney, Epic Universe. Crossing my fingers, I hope the weather is good. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have been so fabulous on keeping up with the vlogs. To me, the views don't matter. It's just as long as I'm connecting with you and giving you guys content and making you guys feel happy, that's what makes me feel so good about what I'm doing here on YouTube and vlogging. I just want to say I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see more videos in me blonde, let me know. Don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys, me, in my next video. Good night. Bye.